This is the question that probably haunts every developer. Unfortunately, there are no clear guidelines for this because it mainly depends on the developer's target. If you feel your app is not getting enough downloads, you can always make a new version of your app with the same source code and publish the new version with new keywords. I recommend you to wait and watch for at least 1 month, and if you are not satisfied with the numbers, then repeat the same process. What I personally believe is, if you are getting less than 250 downloads per day for a typical new app, then you should consider changing ASO. With that, we conclude this section. I hope this makes sense to you. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the discussions. In the next section, I am going to teach you how to do keyword research. See you there.